So good morning guys. A tree in its fruit. Matthew chapter 7 verse 19 and 20. Every tree that does not bear good fruit is cut down and thrown into the fire. In our Christian life, sometimes or many times we cannot produce fruits. Why? Because we branches are weak. We are the branches and Jesus is the tree. Example, this rainy seasons we are strong because there is no work. We have time to read the word of God. But summers come. We are so very weak. We have a lot of work and there is no time to read the word of God. But Jesus said, bears fruit and you will be recognized as a son of God.